Add one more thing to the craziness of the world, and that's used cars. Prices up, availability down, and shops probably wanting to make a profit looking at vehicles that they would never consider before. So watch this little clip here about digital inspections and how you can use them to change the way you look at used cars and how you sell them. It's definitely time to look at used cars in a different way. Matter of fact, making your own certified used cars. Did you realize that most of the manufacturers that offer that, they just have a paper sheet for their technicians to fill out? Whereas if you're using digital inspections, you can document everything and share it with your customer. Use digital inspections on the appraisal. Use digital inspections to do the initial check out the vehicle. And also, if you recondition and keep it, document it. For appraisal, think about this. You usually disappear with the keys and come back with a price. Well, now you can come back with a digital inspection and show the customer where you got that price. Your technicians, when they get in the vehicle, can document the actual condition through an inspection, and this way we can capture the vehicle's original condition. Point by point, video, picture, technicians can document everything about this vehicle, and the beauty of this is it's all being captured and it's in a digital form where it can be accessed at any time. Because you digitally documented the vehicle, if you go to wholesale, this could be shared with those that are coming in to purchase the vehicle. Imagine being able to send a whole inspection to them with pictures and everything of the vehicle that you decided that you don't want to recondition. You can make sure that the condition is made clear, showing descriptions and videos. And then if you decide to recondition the vehicle, you can show the steps that your shop uses to bring that vehicle up to saleable value. And the thing is, when you put parts on it, document that too, because that's all going to come in handy in the future when you bring that customer back for service. Anything that you do to the vehicle, show it. Anything unusually clean about the vehicle, be sure you show it. And by doing all these things, you're going to build value for those customers that are purchasing it from your shop, or value from those that are buying it from the auction. And I think not the only takeaway from here is being able to cover yourself by documenting the vehicles that you're repairing and selling and things of that sort. I think the other point of this is to remember that you're building the base inspection. So if you can have your customers come back on a regular basis, you can always show them what the vehicle was before you sold it to them and what the wear is now. And that way prepare them for any future work that they might need.